Alright then, another quick video, a bit more lathe work. I'm busy machining the hub for the crown wheel to sit on. So that will sit on that big shaft that we machined. And then there'll be a cutout in this area here for the crown wheel to be bolted to it. Making a god awful noise because it's on a very long, the boring bar's quite long, and so it's having to reach down into that hole. I've got ear defenders on. It still sounds noisy, so I don't know how this video will turn out. It might be too noisy to mute it there. We've got to take that hole out to 130 millimeters, so there's a bit to go yet. That's a bit quieter, so we'll just back it off a minute, bring it out, there we go. Yeah, so that hole needs to be out to 130 mil. It's not doing too bad a job considering the screeching. Okay, that's one of those big blanks I got machined down, faced up, and all the rest of it. So yeah, it's going all right. I slipped up really. I could have got this blank with a hole in it. I'm wishing I had now. Never mind. It is what it is. That's all it takes. I've only been on about 45 minutes to get to there. If I had that done again, it'll not be far away really, if I had that done again. Okay then, as I say, just a quick video. Alright then, bye for now.